Yo, what's going on YouTube? It's your boy, I'm Alec, man. A-L-E-C. You already know the vibes, man. How you guys doing today? Hope to I don't even know what I just said. How are you guys doing today? Hope you guys are doing great. Hope you guys are living life to the fullest, man, and staying safe out there because we living in crazy times, man. And speaking of crazy times, man, I got another video for you guys, man, by none other than TMZ, you feel me? Because you know TMZ always be having the hot gossip, be having the crazy stories, man. But we talking about Uber drivers, man. Mask, a whole bunch of Karens, whole bunch of Uber drivers going crazy, man. It's not just the people with the mask, bro. It's the people driving, man. Some of these Uber drivers be going crazy. I'll be hearing a lot of crazy stories. But if you guys are new to this channel, man, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, man. Become part of the gang and hit a like, man. A like is free. You ain't gotta do nothing. Just helps me get these videos out there, man. But yeah, like I said, hope you guys doing great. And without further ado, man, let's get into the video.
No, fuck the mask. Fuck the mask. And I got corona. Yeah, what's up? Fuck you too. What you gonna do? What you gonna do? You have to get your ass shit. Now you about to get beat the fuck up. Yeah, now you about to get beat the fuck up. Now you about to get beat the fuck up. What's up?
You don't talk to my property. You don't buy it. You don't buy it. I bought it.
No. Let's go all the way back. All the way back. Let's see how this starts off, guys. Alright. So just be making an assumption. I don't know, man. We don't have much in the video. My man's chilling right here, masked up, just trying to get this money, get this bread, probably for his family or for himself, you know what I'm saying? Don't really matter. But he's minding his own business. You see two women with the mask on. Then you see the one without the mask, causing no ruckus, trying to cough all up in his ear. She probably got the halitosis, the stank breath. We already know what's going on, man. Let's just replay this.
And I got corona. Yeah, what's up?
My dog is laughing, bro. My dog is laughing because he knows that this shorty is crazy. Like what is going on? Like, and she's over here laughing too because she cutting up, bro. They all a part of it, bro. What's going on? See? I'm sorry to keep pausing it. And this is where it gets real. This is not her car. This is not her property. Why are you grabbing other people's stuff? What did he do to make you this mad? What did you do to get yourself this mad that you out here snatching phones? You got a perfectly good one right here. What is going on?
What you gonna do?
Yeah, my dude, let loose. Don't you touch the phone.
Now you about to get beat the fuck up. Yeah, now you about to get beat the fuck up.
Who? You snatch his phone and instantly pull out your phone like, don't touch me. I'm not for men hitting women at all, but like, why you grabbing his phone? He was trying to grab his phone back from you, and you tried to swing on him because we seen you put the hands up, and now, hide behind the camera, bro.
Now you about to get beat the fuck up. What's up?
You don't talk to my property.
You don't touch it.
You don't buy it. I bought it. I work hard for it.
You're not in the middle of nowhere. So what's up?
Why are you still in the car?
Got
the camera.
Are you stupid? I really have to like do something.
Did I told you to get out in the gas station? You didn't.
Bro. What's going on, bro? Why are they still in the car? She said something about left him out in the middle of the road. I don't know what's going on, bro. I have no idea what's going on, but like, what are we doing out here, bro? This is why Uber drivers be having cameras, because people be wilding, bro. This is why you got to keep your camera on you at all time if you aren't even an Uber driver, but you're getting in the Uber, man. What are we out here doing, man?
Okay, well, I'm gonna make sure I just recorded everything you said. I'm gonna give you a great review.
I'm not getting out.
You should have said that before we got in the car.
Get out.
That's crazy. You should have said that before we got in the car.
I'm gonna end this ride. I don't want to do a drive like this. Come on. No.
Hold on. Do they have the right to do that? Does the Uber driver have the right to just end a ride? I don't know. I'm literally just asking. I'm not taking no sides, but do they have? I mean, like if you, I guess like if you're like in a heavy populated like city like this, but like if we like out in the middle of nowhere, like them long roads that they be having like in the like on the West Coast and stuff with nothing but desert, maybe that's different. But yeah, I think aren't they allowed to like end the ride or something?
You should have said that before we got in the car.
Right. You pull off
No,
and go
you
down the
know,
block.
you need to know.
Say that. It's fine, we'll stay in.
You can't stay. I'm going home.
Okay.
He's gonna get me irritated, bro.
Is it because they weren't wearing a mask?
Okay, well, get out because I'm not getting on season. And I'm gonna wait for my next season to show up.
I'm going home
You going home?
if you don't get out.
Okay.
You can't.
You gonna kidnap us?
No,
You can't take them home with you.
I
You're
have a
gonna
camera
kidnap
right
us?
there.
We got one too. We already
Okay.
recording you.
I've been recording you since you started yelling
No, you
at
can
me
get
over
out,
nothing.
Please. I don't want to drive.
You
like
need to
that.
take us to our destination. We don't know where we're at. We're
I
females.
didn't take any money from
Like,
you,
what
so
do
you
you
can get
mean?
out.
We are not about to get out at a random gas station. We are young girls. What are you doing?
That's not. What did they do, bro? What did they
come
do?
to come get dropped off at a gas station, sir.
You were
The fuck
complaining
is
about
wrong
Not
with
my
you?
fault, you
I
know?
got her a mask. What's the problem? No, I have a
No,
mask
you
now.
started
It's fine.
talking all those.
Because you tried
I
to
don't
drop
really
us
want
off
that.
on the corner. You're supposed to be a man. You're supposed to make sure we're okay.
Stay safe out here. Watch your Uber drivers. And Uber drivers, watch the people you driving, man. These people are weird out here, man. Like, it's... Times is different, dog. But guys, stay blessed. And please, never, ever, ever live your life full of stress, man. I'm out. Stay safe.